Hello everyone, I hope all is well. Tilden Brown again, back with another landscaping ideal. If you have a small front yard and you want to transform that into something different, have just the ideal for that. What I did was took out all of the grass and put down a nice gravel base. On the one side I covered it with landscape fabric, then put down some astroturf. The opposite side I put down landscape fabric, lined it up with some landscape edging, combination of mulch, gravel, and other decorative rocks, filled it in with some plants, and it came out very nice. In the video you'll see how I laid everything out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Hello everyone, this is Tilden Brown back again with some more decorating landscaping ideals and tips. But if you have a small front yard and it doesn't look all that appealing and you want some really unique ideals, well, I had a small house once with well, not actually too small, but it has a small front yard. I came up with a couple of ideals, and this is one of the ideals that I did with that front yard. One of the things that I did was I put in some stone, put some mulch in, surrounded it by some plants. On this particular side of the yard, before I put any of that in, it actually had half grass, half dirt. There's a tree in front of that house, and the tree was keeping the grass from getting the needed sunlight, so as a result it was very difficult to grow grass there. So I dug it all up, cleaned it off with a regular shovel, and just got the surface nice and clean. And the part where you see the mulch and the gravel, I put down that real fine crusher run stone. I just put down a thin layer of that. Before I put that down though, I put down a layer of landscape fabric, then put the stone on top of the landscape fabric, put the plastic circle there in the middle, put the mulch down, put the stone in the center. I put a regular stone base first before I put the decorative stone on top of that. Works out better if you put just a plain old stone in first, then put your decorative stone on top. Over time that stone is going to settle, so it just works out better that way, and you save a little bit more money. Put it in my plants, and I put in some perennials along with some annuals. Got the hostas plants as a border. That came out very nice. When you use hostas plants as a border, that's something you don't have to worry about. I cut it down even with the ground late fall, and then in the summer they come back, well, spring, nice and neat. That side there's another picture of the flower bed. Came out very nice. And along this side here, another border of a different style of hostas plants, and again more mulch. On this side over here I went all out a little bit more. That is a brick border there that I put along the edge, and up by the house there, before I put anything in, after I cleaned everything out, I painted that brick there at the base a dark gray, and then I put in some landscape fabric, put my plants in, put some mulch down, 2 different colors of mulch, and a variety of plants. Down in front of that pretty looking green grass there, that is actually some astroturf. I found the place to get that at a very decent price. That came out very well. That was my next best choice, being that I had that tree in front of my house that, because of the city ordinance in that particular town, they won't allow you to remove it unless there's a problem with it. So I wasn't ever going to get grass to grow there, so this was my next option, and that I put down about 15 years ago, and it still looks like that today. There's another shot of that as well, and that held up very well, very nice. On the very end there by the hostas plants and the daffodils there, I put in some decorative gravel, and that turned out real nice. Just clean it out every so often of any leaves and debris. Those are just a couple of little tips and ideals. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.